recent years, the global average temperature continues to rise. The rate of warming is faster than expected. Humans and creatures are facing extreme survival challenges. Slowing down the deterioration of the ecological environment has become an important lesson for all human beings. One High Lines commits to install all kinds of energy-saving facilities to protect the oceanic environment with our greatest effort. During sailing, ships' major resistance forces include wave resistance, shipform resistance, and friction of seawater. Therefore, overcoming sailing resistances is the primary goal of energy saving. One High Lines has adopted the new ES-bow technology and carried out simulations with professional units to replace the bulb bow. From the cross-analysis of various routes and ship types, ships replaced with a new bulb bow can reduce about 38,000 tons of carbon emissions each year in the energy-saving and carbon reduction cost-benefit analysis. From 2013 to 2020, One High has cumulatively reduced 220,000 tons of carbon emission. While the ships are sailing the ocean, we will continue to do our best to contribute to the wellness of the Earth. Apart from wave resistance, sea creatures attached to the hull can increase the friction between the seawater and hull, resulting in energy consumption. This chart tells that a ship's sailing resistance primarily comes from the frictional resistance of the hull, accounting for 60% of the entire resistance. Besides, avoiding biofouling can also prevent damage to marine ecology. The coating not only requires good coating materials, but also relies on excellent construction quality. To achieve effective anti-fouling, the pre-construction, construction, and post-construction processes must comply with technical specifications in order to perform coating. The hull surface treatment and cleaning of construction equipment beforehand are extremely important. After conditions are reached, construction can begin. When spraying the paint, it is a must to pay attention to every detail, including the thickness of paint film and drying interval time. Since 2016, One High Lines has increased the proportion of fleets using low-resistance, high-performance paint. As of 2020, its entire fleet has adopted low-resistance, high-efficiency paint, resulting in an increase of the overall cost by 250%. To maintain its competitiveness, One High reapply the low-resistance, high-efficiency paint every 5 years, indicating a higher renovation frequency compared with others. As low-speed sailing is the current trend to avoid unnecessary fuel consumption, ships that have more than 2 engine turbochargers have all retrofitted one turbocharger cutoff system. Different from other container carriers that must switch on both turbochargers to speed up the ship, One High's ships can be directly operated by the crews and be activated within a short time, while being adjusted according to the required ship speed. Air Guard System is an anti-oil pollution air sealing system that can solve the fuel leak problem. The compressed air can fill the gap, ensuring that the fuel will be separated from the seawater. Sealing rings are also used to prevent oil spills and the intrusion of seawater and sediment. Any fuel or seawater leaked to the gap can be carried, collected, and stored by the air. To maintain the propulsion efficiency of propellers, One High's fleet not only clean and check propellers during docking time, but also conduct an underwater cleaning inspection every half year after docking. More than 90% of One High's fleet vessels are equipped with PBCF to increase the propulsion efficiency by 1 to 2%. To ensure the ship's safety and stability during transport, One High's fleet also introduced the ballast water treatment system to purify the ballast water before releasing it. This helps not only to prevent off-site aquatic organisms from pollution and resulting in impact to the local environment, but also realizes Wanhai Line's goals of building green ships and protecting the marine environment. Since 2016, Wanhai Lines not only largely increased our efficiency, but also effectively enhanced energy efficiency and reduced carbon dioxide emissions. We not only pay attention to the safety of our people, ships, and goods, but also consider protecting the marine ecological environment as our mission. We carry, we care.